This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Shazam not working issue while using CarPlay on your iPhone. Follow these quick steps to fix this issue. The first solution is turn off your Bluetooth and check the issue. And the second solution is offload the Shazam app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, offload app, then reinstall the app and then check the issue. And the third solution is reset network settings. Go to General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. The fourth solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of glitches. And the last solution is turn off restriction. Open settings, screen time, content and privacy restriction. Disable content and privacy restriction. Once done, hope this solution will fix your Shazam issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.